Do not hurt me. Do not hurt me.
Stand by your back.
Do not. Are you throwing me over the...
Stop resisting.
I'm not resisting.
Okay. Put your hand behind your back. Stop resisting.
You know exactly what's happening.
You don't walk that way.
I can't walk. I'm being thrown down.
Just walk that way.
Settle down. Do not grab me. Do not grab me. I pointed you to the exact paragraph.
Stop.
It's her education.
Stop.
Stop because you don't want to hear what the argument is.
Stop. You interrupt me one more time, you are being held in direct contempt of court, and
Yes,
you can
ma'am.
wipe that smirk off.
I don't have a
your face.
smirk on my face.
Oh, yes, you
I do not.
I am not going to tolerate this from you, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Fill out the request, get the form from our court clerk's office on the second floor, make sure it comports with what you've brought already, get it filed, mailed in, whatever you need to do. Let us assess her request. If it's,
My client's not seen her child. There is no order in this court, and there's been no jurisdiction found that this court has jurisdiction over this child who has never lived in your county.
You just interrupted
Never
me.
lived.
You
I did
just
not. There was a pause. There was a break. I wasn't done with my argument.
and I was not done with my statement. You interrupted again. Do not throw your...
I did not throw. It fell off the bench. Please stop stating things that are not true, ma'am.
Sir, you've got a room full of witnesses.
I do. I put it down. I did. I put it down and it fell down. I did not fall.
Then settle down.
I'm not upset and I'm not arguing. You're not letting me make an argument. I'm not red in the face, ma'am. I'm not.
Stop. Our court reporter cannot get what we're both saying.
I am trying to make my argument. You interrupted my argument halfway through
This
on
is
an
a
objection.
button that will get every available deputy in
Yes,
front of
ma'am. I'm aware. It's happened to
You're
me before.
interrupting. It has.
Yes.
Because you're out of line
Yeah,
with court.
I guess so.
Okay. If I push that
Or maybe
button,
because I'm a transgender attorney practicing all over the state.
I don't know what you are.
You do, ma'am. It's not that you do.
I don't know whether
You do,
you're
ma'am. You do.
transgender,
You
other
do.
than you have just now
No,
advised me,
ma'am,
and
you
that
do.
doesn't have
You do.
anything to do
It's
with
happened when we
anything.
talked on the phone.
That wasn't talking, let me tell you. You were entirely inappropriate.
You were yelling at
So-
me and I did not even know you were the judge.
And I didn't know you from Adam.
I said, my name is Rob Hopkins. I'm an
Which doesn't
attorney
mean
in
anything.
Oklahoma City.
No, sir, you did not.
Okay.
Okay?
There's no one there to know that, right?
Okay. So we are pausing this until you get the ADA request form filled out and it gets processed.
So we're going to pause the hearing on jurisdiction that's been set twice. I drove an hour and a half to have the hearing. My client's available telephonically, and we are simply not even taking testimony.
Is your client available telephonically?
Yes, ma'am.
today?
Yes, ma'am.
Well, then get her on the phone.
Thank you.
Your Honor, to which we would object. This is as clear as the nose on my face that this woman will not appear before this court because she has a warrant for stealing.
Objection, that's not true. And you're ready
You
to
were wrong, sir.
Stop at me and it's over me. Or shot at me.
I'm not putting it in.
No, we're stopping.
Get out of my face,
I've been doing
sir.
it for a long
Get out of my face, sir.
You may step
Get out of my face.
You should leave this county.
Get out of my face. Get out of my
These
face.
people are my friends, and you're being ugly.
And get out of my face.
Let the change my back.
Why?
Because you're in direct contempt of court.
He shouted at me. No, I'm not being, you did not even say that I was in
You are
contempt.
in direct.
No, I'm not doing
Judge,
my
I
stuff.
apologize, but I felt very threatened by this person.
No,
The
stop.
screaming and the yelling in court, I've never heard that before in this courtroom.
Wait.
Do not hurt me. Do not hurt me.
Hand by your back.
Do not. Are you throwing me over
Stop
the...
resisting.
I'm not resisting.
Okay. Put your hand behind your back. Stop resisting.
You know exactly what's happening.
You will walk that way sometime.
I can't walk. I'm being thrown down.
Just settle down, walk that way.
Go.
Settle down. Do not grab me. Do not grab me. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
Now that we've seen the full incident, let's analyze what happened carefully. Rob Hopkins, a transgender civil rights attorney, was arguing in court with Judge Laurie Jackson in Pontotoc County, Oklahoma. The dispute began over a court ruling where Hopkins requested clarification of a specific paragraph, and the judge asked him to follow proper procedures. Here we see a pattern of escalation. Hopkins repeatedly interrupted the judge, ignored warnings, and displayed behavior that provoked a stronger response from the court. Throwing the phone on the floor and pointing at the judge demonstrates emotional escalation, where personal frustration overtook professional conduct. The judge's actions, issuing warnings and ultimately holding him in contempt, reflect standard courtroom procedure intended to maintain order and authority. Hopkins's cries, "I can't breathe," and requests for a female officer highlight a mix of fear, vulnerability, and self-advocacy, but also show how high emotions can complicate legal proceedings. The aftermath, his arrest, $25,000 bond, and closure of his law firm, illustrates the real-world consequences of courtroom escalation, where a single heated exchange can end a professional career. From this incident, several lessons emerge. Respect for courtroom procedure is critical. Emotional regulation in high-stakes environments is essential. Even highly trained professionals can face severe consequences when conflicts escalate. This event is more than a viral clip. It's a case study in human behavior, law, and consequences, and reminds us that actions in tense situations have lasting impact.
And that's the full story. What do you think about this incident? Could it have been handled differently? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I want to hear your perspective. If you found this video insightful, hit that like button and make sure to subscribe for more in-depth analysis. Stay tuned, because there is always more to uncover. And we'll keep bringing you the stories that matter. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.